Well, hey everybody, this is Kevin with another video. I'm here with my son, Danny, and we're gonna unbox a MacBook Air. You already saw my unboxing of my MacBook Pro, my faux unboxing, because I screwed up the unboxing and so I kind of redid it. You know, the dumb drone thing. If you watch that, I'm sorry. No, I'm kidding. Anyway, now we're gonna do a real one. And the reason is, when I got mine, and I showed it to my son. He was all excited about it, and he decided he wanted one. This is the 512 gigabyte with 8 gigabytes of memory, and you say, why didn't you get the 16? Why didn't we get the 16?
Don't need it.
Because you don't really need it, you know. The 512, because he does a lot of video editing, so that'll allow him to put more stuff on there. So we're gonna go ahead and do this and show you. So it's his, so we're gonna let him do the unboxing.
You might want to take that chair out of the way. Oh my gosh. My chin hit it. So my chin knocked it into it. Alright, so I've never done an unboxing before. I've never even unboxed a MacBook because I've always had a hand-me-down, so I've never gotten to do the unboxing experience before. So this will be fun. Alright, I see this little tab here, so I'm assuming I just pull this tab. Oh, it tears the plastic just nicely. Oh, it tears the plastic just nicely. Oh, that was very smooth. I like that. I heard Apple's unboxing experience is like super, super good. So, pull it out. It's a little stuck. There we go. All right. It smells good. It's got like a new computer smell. All right, be careful. I don't want to like do anything to this thing. I feel like I'm gonna break it. It's a lot lighter. Like that's the first thing I noticed. Because I had a big 15-inch MacBook Pro and I'm going to a 13-inch. So that's very, very light. But let's go ahead. Here, before I unwrap that, let's do this. So the USB-C, does it have the brick as well? Yep, there it is.
Unlike iPhones, you actually get a charging brick in the MacBook.
Designed by Apple California. I'm assuming this is the user manual. Very small, minimal. And those stickers. But, yep, it's basically a minimal user manual. They don't really do a whole lot, do they? Is there anything under here? I don't think so. Nope. What's all that extra space for then? I don't really need to open this up. I think that'd be the boring part of the, you know, it's a standard, you know, charging brick. But, all right, we're gonna pop this baby out. Oh, that's so nice. I'm just gonna. I love the look. We'll get some of this trash out of the way. All right, so the moment of truth. Oh no, it doesn't do the weight. Maybe it was this little sticky thing right here. Oh, you hear that? But normally, like when you open one, okay, it did it. It was that. It was this that did that. Oh. All right. First things I'm noticing is the keyboard is, I had the butterfly keyboard before. Now it's these, what is this called? Is it like a...
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Don't talk to me, Siri. I'm making content. But the first thing I noticed is the keyboard. There's a lot more travel to the like click in. So like when you actually push in on a key, there's a little more travel, so it feels nicer. But let's turn it around so you guys can take a look at it. Nice, beautiful screen, the beautiful backdrop.
OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver.
Siri wants to keep talking. She wants to be a part of the video for some reason.
F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the escape key.
Let's get Siri to shut up. Now she won't talk to us. All right, but it's very beautiful. The screens are always super nice. That's one of the things that Mac's just always been 100% perfect in, almost. Oh, it's just a new computer smell. Like, it's like, take it in.
Is this your first new computer?
Yeah, brand spanking new.
That Acer netbook that you got?
My first computer versus this, yeah. My first
We'll show you what his first real computer ever looked like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you my new Acer netbook. Press the little power button.
It'll show what I looked like back then.
Show
too.
what he looked like. Little turd. Yeah, the big difference between the MacBook Pro and the MacBook Air, aside from a touch bar, is the screen and then the processor and the battery. The screen on the MacBook Pro on my computer has a 500 nit screen.
Yeah, it's supposed to be brighter.
And this is 400 nits. And that really probably won't matter for most people. I mean, you know, when you look at it, you know,
it's still very bright. Like
he looks at this and thinks that's beautiful because it's probably brighter than your old one or close to it.
It's about the same, I would say.
Yeah. But if you put them side by side, which we'll do here right now.
It honestly looks like mine's better lighting.
No, not even close.
Okay, at an angle it does.
All right, so MacBook Pro and
MacBook Air.
And you look at them, and he can't really tell the difference as to which one's brighter. They're both set at 100%. I think if I had this one, the Air, I wouldn't go, boy, I sure wish that was a lot brighter. You know?
I don't know that.
Well, to me, it's obvious because...
I actually think the Air's brighter. I don't know why, but I just do.
Well, because it's yours. And,
No, like, just maybe make sure your brightness is up all the way. It wasn't up all the way.
I thought it was. All right, so let's do that again. All right, so MacBook Pro, 100% brightness. MacBook Air, 100% brightness. This one has 400 nits of brightness. This one has 500 nits of brightness. To me, there seems, anyway, it could. What would you say is your biggest, the thing you're most pleased over, this versus, you haven't even played with it, so you
Well,
don't
the
know about
keyboard
speed.
for one.
You think the keyboard is
'Cause
better?
I'm going from the butterfly to this.
Yeah, the old butterfly keyboard on the 2017 MacBook Pro
And
was terrible. I hated it. And for a year and a half, I used it and was happy to get rid of it.
And I was someone who didn't really mind the butterfly keyboard that much. But actually using this new keyboard, it does feel nicer.
Anything else?
I don't like the touch bar, so I'm glad to have the function buttons back.
A lot of people feel that way. I'm, indifferent. If you hold down the function key on the touch bar MacBook Pro, then it shows you your function keys. I never use the function keys, so it doesn't bother me. So you're pretty happy with it?
Yeah, I like it a
You'd
lot.
recommend it to other kids who want to get a laptop?